Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com, framing up the top 5 groups and the leading stocks in those groups for the big Mission Winners group. The VIP members will get an analysis, in-depth analysis of the top 25 groups and stocks. So let's take it away. Number 1 group, see it down here, retail office supplies. We've been through this every week. It's one stock, ESND, just hanging in there. That's it. It's the lone wolf, ESND. That's the one. Number 2 group, medical outpatient home care, very steady. Last week too, this week too. Leading stocks in the group. Take a look here. Had a down volume bar, but it really wasn't that bad of a bar. This bar here wasn't that bad of a bar. It's the number 2 group. It's hanging steady. Here's the leading stocks in the group. Just take a look at them so you know what they are. Leading groups and leading stocks, we can quantify it. That's where money flows. That's why we really key on stocks in the top 20, 25 groups. Money flows there constantly, and we turn off the noise. Retail discount variety. Look at that spot. Isn't that nice? Which of these do you own? Well, I'll tell you one we got here is Ollie's. Ollie's is doing great. Here's the leading stocks in the group. Top relative strength and EPS, percent off high. Here they are. BJ's is all over the place right now. BJ Wholesale. Number 3 group. Look at that. That's nice. That's why we look at this. That was one of the catalysts that got us into Ollie. Here's group rank number 4. Hanging in there. Computer software medical. What's the one negative you see? This should catch your eye. Down on heavy volume. Inside bar. Low volume. Down on heavy volume. That's selling right there. It's still above the 20-day, but be aware of that. That's some heavy selling bars. Be cognizant of it. Here's the leading stocks in the group. Group's still strong at 4. Computer software enterprise. Down on heavy volume, still above the rising 20. Leading stocks in the group. Just take a look at them so you know them. Those are the top 5 groups, down and dirty. VIP members will get this analysis for the top 25 groups. But I want to show this to you. It's a big part of our foundation. Leading groups, leading stocks, and what kind of stocks do we look for? Companies that have great earnings and or great sales. We can quantify that's where money goes. And I thank you very much. I hope this helps you.